What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, welcome back to a new video. Hope you're all doing great. And in this video we'll be taking a look at IMX or Immutable X, the Immutable token, whatever you want to call it. We'll take a look at it. We'll briefly talk about the fundamentals. There are actually there's some great news we need to talk about. And then apart from that, we'll also incorporate that into a full technical analysis. And then we'll also dive into the technicals themselves. So it's kind of what you can expect. I'll try to give you a full overview of what to expect in the upcoming few days. Yeah, it's also partially, of course, my analysis, my opinion. So if you want to discuss that, I'm always open for that. Before we start though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, crypto trading signals, check out the links in either the pinned comment or the description. There you can also find out more about trade results and stuff if you want to know more about that, but check that out. But let's get right into Immutable. We also, by the way, had some Immutable trades. One short order from here, which take profit number 2 was right here, around 96 cents. That was spot on. And one buy order from this 200 EMA. So that was spot on as well. Took full profits at 1.05. So we've we have pretty successfully traded IMX, but it's also, it's also an interesting coin right now. It obviously plays into the whole scaling and zero knowledge narrative a little bit. But what they also have coming up, which is pretty hyped up, not that much, but a little, is that Illuvium Beyond, I think it's called, is launching in, I believe, 3 days. So that's quite, Illuvium Beyond, which is, it's been developed for quite a long time. Illuvium is a great project, and it's a great addition for the Immutable ecosystem. So that's pretty bullish right now. And together with that narrative, it actually caused us to get a bullish breakout. But the thing is, we haven't made a full bullish breakout yet. We broke above this trend line right here. But we haven't broken above this entire key level. You can see the gray area, but I should probably drag it all the way up to 1.09, because as you can see, that most of the time actually is part of the resistance level as well. So we have had a bullish breakout, but not a big one. What I would like to see now is to break above 1.09. If we can do that, all right, then we'll get up to 1.13, 1.16, and from there we'll see again, all right? I actually think I actually don't think we'll be able to break through this, but I think we can get there. And we could break through that if Bitcoin actually becomes bullish. Then we'll do something like this, but that's not what I expect. But for now, I do, even though we haven't had the best breakout yet, I do think that breaking above this trend line and breaking above this kind of minor level around 1.06, 1.05, I think that's enough to actually push us all the way up to that 618 FIB right here at around 1.14, 1.16. Let's just call it 1.15. So I think we'll get up there, but from there I think we'll retrace, and then we will have to see. If the market is fairly bullish, we might be able to still break above 1.15, but for now I expect us to reach that level and start dropping down towards 1.05, 1.06, but also all the way down to $1. Now from there we'll see again. But yeah, that's initially what I think is about to happen. Now for that, as I said, we haven't broken above 1.09, 1.1, but we have broken above 1.06, 1.05. If for some reason we break down below that level again, then first of all, I was wrong. But second of all, then we'll also just drop down to $1 from there. So then basically the whole analysis would be accelerated and we wouldn't get the bullish move. But all right, that's we'll see. This is my take, at least on Immutable X, my opinion on what's going to happen most likely. But if you do have any questions, let me know. Take care and bye.